Hey YouTube, I figured I'd make a small video of a '01 Chevy ZR2 Blazer I'm in the process of working on. It is currently just a work truck, so I haven't sunk too much money into it yet. But as of right now, I have replaced the factory head unit with a Kenwood MP535U, which is a pretty decent head unit for the money. I've also replaced the factory door speakers with a pair of Memphis audio 6.5-inch 3-ways running off the head unit. I have also replaced the rear seat side 6x9s with a pair of Memphis audio 6x9s. And other than that, I've put in a box with a pair of JBL 15s, and that is running off of a old school Infinity reference amp, which is putting out roughly maybe 600, maybe 650 watts. And altogether, I might possibly have only like 350 bucks tied up in everything: the wiring, the speakers, the head unit. So not really bad. This is just what you can do on a tight budget if need be, or if it's just a work vehicle. Here's a small video. I hope you like it.
They can come to, baby.